Hi guys, back again. Where are you? Tell me, where are you? What are you doing? I hope you're watching this match. Women double, great match. That's going to be really, 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 really hard for Margot and for Marine. Two left-handed players playing together. I think it's the first time I see that, but they had no choice in Esprit Padel Lyon. The other girls were not really free to come to Paris, unfortunately for them. But Margot and Marine, they were there and they agreed to play together this time and try to gain experiences and get some fun. But that's going to be really hard, I tell you. They face today Sabela Barcella and Carla Bacella. As you can see, they look like a bit the same. Those two girls, they are twins actually, I think they told me. I didn't check that info, but everyone told me they were twins. And for you to know, these two girls, they play at the WPT and they are ranked 87 and 89 on the World Paddle Tour. They are kind of professional paddle players. So that's why I'm telling you it's going to be hard for Marine and Margot. Maybe you don't know Marine and Margot. Marine Fleury, who is the girl with the pink shirt on the right side. But I hope these two girls in front of them are going to be nice and make them play a little bit. Oh, what a defense. Oh, pity this one. And Margot with the black shirt playing the left side now. One love for the Spanish girls. Of course, they know they are far above these two French girls. And once again, I hope they're going to make them play for the girls to have fun and enjoy a little bit this match. Let's see what they're going to do and what they're going to try to gain and win a few games and points. Come on, girls. Marine Fleury, the girl with the pink shirt on the right side, she plays paddle. She started paddle about 2 years ago in Lyon, in Esprit Paddle, the club owned and founded by Sébastien Cornet in Saint-Priest. Great club there, very nice club with 6 indoor courts and 1 outdoor court. And Margot started paddle about 3-4 years ago, I think. She works in Grenoble. She often plays in Grenoble or in Lyon. She makes a little bit of tournaments. And their opponents now, they are playing about for 20 years paddle. That gives you the differences between these 4 players. Once again, the sisters, the Spanish sisters, there with the service, they are ranked top 100 in the WPT, 87 and 89. Oh, that was it, Margot. Pity to miss that, but it was a good idea to do that. Chiquita Barada. Of course, Margot has never ever played on the left side And as you see this return, she can't do anything with that because she's not used at all to this glass, to this rebound. I hope they will change side on the second set, just for both of them to get pleasure. As you maybe know, the left-handed in paddle, they play always on the right side. That's why Margot is not used to play on that side. Oh no, don't play there, Margot. She should have played straight ahead because the girl on straight ahead was not on a good position to play. Come on, come on. Oh yes, girl. Oh, hello, my little Noah, my little Spanish spy. How are you today, Noah? Hope you trained well yesterday. And do you have a tournament this weekend? Let me know what your program this weekend. It's for you, Marine, this one, yes. Go, go. Jean-Pierre, hello Jean-Pierre, Loic's father. It will be rapid, you tell me, yes, maybe. But the girls in front of them, facing them, I think should be. They seems to be quite nice and kind, and don't play. They don't play at their level, and they make a little French girls playing a little bit. Allez, un petit point en français, les jeunes, pour vous. Voilà, donc comme vous voyez, Margot et Marine, toutes les deux gauchères. Compliqué pour elles. Margot qui a vraiment jamais joué à gauche. J'espère qu'elles vont tourner d'ailleurs au deuxième set pour que les deux prennent un peu du plaisir dans leur diagonale. Elles viennent de marquer un jeu, elles sont menées maintenant 2-1. Et elles ont face à elles de redoutables joueuses qui jouent sur le World Padel Tour, qui sont classées 87 et 89e mondial. Ce sont de sacrées joueuses, mais j'ai l'impression qu'elles ont décidé d'être un petit peu sympas quand même, ces filles, et de faire un petit peu jouer les Françaises aujourd'hui pour qu'elles prennent du plaisir, un petit peu. Voilà, c'est aussi un peu l'esprit du padel qu'on retrouve régulièrement quand il y a une telle différence de niveau entre les deux équipes. Mais souvent l'équipe la plus forte est à peu près tranquille et fait jouer les autres. Voilà pour le petit point en français. Hi Santiago, Noah, you're telling me you're really good. You're welcome. Great to hear that and to read that. Thanks for watching, guys, all of you. Hope you're enjoying a little bit this day. And it's raining here in Paris. I don't know what the weather at your place. Let me know if you want. Thanks to the organization of the European Cup of Paddle Clubs to organize and to promote this event. Thanks to all the sponsors, of course. Bull Padel, Vibora, Kelme, Paddle Manager, Paddle Magazine, Dead Violin, MX Sport, Kent Paddle Academy, European Institute of Chiropractic, at Venice, which sponsorizes Esprit Padel, actually on the court. thanks to paddleshop.com, the Monaco Paddle Federation, and to all the media which relays, promotes and speak about these great events and great 3 days of competitions here in Casa Paddle in Paris, Paddle World Press and CMD Sport, Paddle Wall, Passier for Paddle, Paddle Magazine, and to all of you who are watching, sharing, speaking about it. Hopefully for you next year you will be on this court playing for this event. I wish it for you. Marine is on fire. Yeah, hopefully I really hope these two girls, these two French girls are going to have fun and enjoy this match. Go, 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 go forward. Yes, yes, yes. We can't do that with those kind of players. She should have pushed the ball quite slowly at the back, and she chose to hit the ball hard. The zone was good, but the speed wasn't. Jean-Pierre, tu nous dis dommage que vous ne mettiez pas le tableau avec les résultats d'hier et les qualifiés. Ce n'est pas nous qui nous organisons, qui nous occupons de ça, Jean-Pierre, mais le tableau il est sur internet, tout est trouvable sur Paddle Manager et sur le site Instagram et Facebook de la European Cup of Paddle Clubs. Nous on est là pour commenter et filmer. Voilà mon petit Jean-Pierre. Okay, back again. A little not result, but informations about girls match going on right now. The women double between Casa Paddle and Le Mas. Melissa and Geraldine are leading 6-2 to love against Claire and Emeline. Claire Lefebvre, Emeline Lambrecht. Even if Geraldine is injured and is not 100% because she can't run, they are still there, the girls, and they are fighting hard. Vamos la Marine, vamos, a smash by 4, well done. We call it a smash by 4 because the court measures 4 meters high at the back. Pity. But she should, yeah, she was right to try that, Margot, but once again, she never ever played on that side, on the left side, and she doesn't really know the zones, the angles she can have. Oh, that's a big mistake, but they must do that, those girls. They must be aggressive, they must try things, they won't try another time. They have the great chance to play against those two players two sisters ranked 89 and 87 at the WPT, and they must try things, having fun, being aggressive. Oh, this one is going high after the rebound. Yeah, wait, go, 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 go! Go forward, girl! Oh, what a return! But it was risky from Marine to serve on that zone, on not on her diagonal. Watch out if you serve not on your diagonal and you serve the glass. It's not really good to do that, because you open an angle, you open a straight line, and your partner must go to the center, but it's hard. Go, girls, to the net now. Go forward. But yes, but you have to go forward. That's a game to do that, but with your legs. Okay, 6-1 on the first set now for the Spanish girls.
Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto.
Yes, thank you, Sandra, to have answered this question. I just saw Jean-Pierre, you wanted to know where these two players are coming from. Actually, yes, they come from Vigo. Vigo. So, 6-1 the first set for Bibora team, and that's the first game of the second set. And at the same time, on the court number 2, Geraldine and Melissa are leading, yes, 6-2, 3 love with double break, because it's Melissa now who is serving. And you know what? 4-0 now, and Geraldine can run a little bit. I could see her running a little bit the last point. She has a strap, of course, on her leg, but she seems to be quite alright. I mean, much better than yesterday. C'est bien, Melissa. Yes, good. Melissa came to play the ball on Geraldine's back, which is something she must do. But she made a mistake with it. Boom! Smash by 3 by Marine, well done. Oh, this one is nice, Margot. Well done, girl. One smash. It's 1-all in the second set now. Oh, that was strange for the Spanish girl there to play that ball. 6-2, 4-1 for Casa Padel in the women double now against Le Mas Perpignan in the semi-final, in the second semi-final. I'll try to go and get some results where the girl will change sides. But that's it, Margot. Yes, of course, it's a pity to miss it, and you're frustrating about yourself, but that's it, Margot. That was a good way to do that, yes? It was a nice idea. Yes, of course. She's not used to that, of course. That's not her side. And she never ever played those kind of return and services. This one shot, Marine, she should play that. It's good again. Good fight. She's not well placed. She's not at a good position, Marine. She's a bit too much forward, and she should go one step back to be in the best position and to hit that ball in front of her body, because the hit point of this shot was not good at all.
Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto.
She plays a really good smash, Margot, on the left side. I'm quite surprised with that. Really good zones. Perfect speed. One cross, one uncross straight ahead. Okay, 15 all. 1-6, 1-2, 15 all. That's it, girls. Go forward, go! Yeah. Go, Marine, go! Yes, but that's it. Well try, nice try. Go, Margot, go forward. Yeah, pity, but that was it. That was a nice idea. Of course, pity to miss it, but it was a nice try, and that's the way I think that's the way they must play. Marine and Margot try to bother a little bit the twins there, and of course, being aggressive, that makes you take some risk and make some mistakes. This one is much more for Marine than for Margot, because Marine will be with her forehand. And Margot played that shot with her backhand, which is a little bit more difficult, of course. Well done, Margot. No, don't take that one. Yes, go, girl, go. Yes. That's nice to see that. I don't know if you're enjoying as me, but I really like to see those kind of spirits on the court. These girls trying, being aggressive, going forward, because it's the only manners for them to bother the girls in front of them. If they play paddle, play slowly, they won't win at all 1 point against those kind of players. So they have to play quick, fast, going forward as soon as possible, taking some risk, of course, making some mistakes, but having pleasure like this. This return! Okay, back again. So, I give you now the score written. It's 6-1, 4-1 for the Spanish girls. And time for results there for this European Cup of Paddle Clubs. Casa Paddle will be in the final. They have just beaten Le Mas Perpignan. The girls just won the second match 6-2, 6-3, I think. So tomorrow you will have the pleasure to see on your screen live streaming Casa Paddle on the center court. Of course, you understood why they didn't play since then the center court. It's because we knew they will be on the final, and we wanted to give you the pleasure to see Benjamin Tizan, Adrien Maigret, Loïc Lepens, Dimitri Huette, Maxime Bourgoin, Julien Maigret, Mélissa Martin, Géraldine Sorel. Tomorrow morning at 9. Be here, we will be. Oh, Misamovico, qui face qui et où? So that's the second match sheet for the first game today there. It's Esprit Paddle, sponsorized by Advenis, Esprit Paddle in Lyon. With a pink shirt with the service now is Marine Fleury. And with a black shirt, her partner is Margot Ravix. Two left-handed players, but there were many people not there, not free to come to Paris this weekend. And these girls said, okay, we are two left-handed, but we're going to come together, have fun, gain experiences, play against great players. And in front of them we have Sabella and Carla Parcella, two girls playing on the WPT, ranked 87 and 89. Of course, it's not that good, but it's much better than our French girls. And we are here for the European Cup of Paddle Clubs in Casa Paddle in Paris, Saint-Denis, for 3 days of competition, thanks to the sponsors and to the European associations, thanks to Bull Paddle, to Vivora, Kelme, Cartry, Adidas, Paddle Manager, paddleshop.com and paddlemanager.com, where you have all the information and results you need to know, the draws also. Go and have a look on this app or on the website. Thanks also to all the, with pleasure, Milanovic. You have also all the information thanks to the medias who promotes and speak about this event. Paddle Magazine, thanks to Frank Binisti with his live streaming and his great job he's doing. And Pauline Ramboisé, of course, making the pictures this morning. Paddle World Press and CMD Sport, Paddle Wall for Portugal, Palsier for Paddle, and all the companies and brands also who promotes, believes, and puts money on this competition and on the development of paddle. Advenis, European Institute of Chiropractic, Z Violin, IMEX Sport, Ghent Paddle Academy too is here, Monaco Paddle Federation also. As you see, many partners, many companies, many people, many players who believe, enjoy and love this great sport we are playing and practicing. I think it's match point, but I'm not really sure. So maybe now, match point. After this match, of course, we will show you the last match of this game. This is game, set and match. I hope you enjoy
this game. That was an opportunity for these girls to play on this great center court for the European Cup of Paddle Clubs, and we will be back in a few minutes, guys. Take a break and see you very quickly. Thank you. Bye bye.